We're less than 2 weeks away till Christmas. We're here on December 13th for another Switch reveal for the Mechanical Keyboards Switch Advent Calendar. Let's see what's inside for us today. I took all the punctuation marks off the judge's keyboard. I expect a very long sentence. Today's Switch is a Kailh Box Glazed Green. This is a clicky Switch with a 45-gram spring, and that is plate mounted. Here's that Kailh Box Green clicky Switch. Let's see how this glazed green Switch sounds inside a board. Alright, there's our Kailh Box Glazed Green clicky Switch. Let me know what you think of that clicky Switch compared to the others that we've checked out earlier in this month. Hit that subscribe and notification bell icon, and I'll see you all tomorrow.